India's education system is undergoing a transformative shift under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji that places teachers at the heart of this change. With the vision of empowering teachers and strengthening the foundation of learning, two landmark initiatives have emerged as budgetary mandates, envisioned under National Education Policy 2020, the National Mission for Mentoring, NMM, and the National Professional Standards for Teachers, NPST.
The journey began with the NEP 2020, a visionary framework that reimagined education in India. It emphasized continuous professional development, mentorship, and clear standards for teachers across India, recognizing them as the cornerstone of quality education intrinsically aligned with Sustainable Development Goal 4, aims to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education opportunities for all by 2030.
The journey begins with national-level consultation through these 2,559 inputs received and later integrated in planning for next step. The journey gained momentum with the launch of two national documents, the NPST Guiding Document and the NMM Blue Book on March 9, 2024 by Union Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. These policy documents serve as comprehensive roadmaps outlining clear standards, competencies and mentoring structures to support teachers' career stages.
For wider dissemination, both the national documents were first launched in Braille and audio version on 29 July 2024 and on 14 September 2024, their translated versions also released into 22 scheduled languages.
The dialogue continued through national conclaves in 2025 and 2026. Bringing together key stakeholders from 28 states and 8 union territories, which was graced by honorable governors of states like Meghalaya, Tripura, Haryana, Gujarat, Odisha, Maharashtra, Kerala, honorable union and state education ministers and education leaders who reaffirmed their commitment to advancing teacher development in alignment with national priorities.
Simultaneously, multiple state-level workshops were organized across the country, ensuring that the vision reached every corner of India. These workshops played a critical role in reaching to the primary stakeholders of NPST and MMM with the objective to orient the state functionaries like SCERTs, Diets of Excellence, principals and teachers of KVS, NBS, CBSE and state board schools on the implementation of NPST and NMM.
A significant milestone in this journey was the launch of the NPST and NMM digital portals in National Conclave 2026 at NIT Calicut, Kerala. These platforms enable seamless registration, access to resources, and structured engagement, bringing mentorship and professional standards into a dynamic digital ecosystem.
To support adoption or adaptation of NPST and NMM, dedicated technical sessions were conducted, offering hands-on guidance to teachers and school leaders. These sessions ensured that every stakeholder could confidently navigate the portals and understand the roles of every stakeholder.
Continuous feedback has been central to this journey. More than 2,000 inputs from state functionaries, principals and teachers have been received and integrated.
Over 17,000 school teachers and principals have been registered in NPST portal to undergo competency mapping process, marking a significant step towards structured professional development and career progression. Under NMM, a strong network of nearly 4,221 national mentors is actively supporting the ecosystem, with over 12,255 mentees already benefiting through continuous capacity building and guided mentoring. With mentors like Honorable Minister of State Education, Shri Jayant Chaudhary ji, along with Professor C.K. Saluja and Dr. Ashok Pandey, Professor Milind Sudhakar, Chairperson NBT, and Professor Sharad Sinha, etc. NCTE is enhancing the quality of education by mentoring school teachers for teaching excellence.
From policy vision to on-ground implementation, the journey of NPST and NMM reflects a unified national effort to empower educators through flagship initiatives such as NPST and NMM. NCTE continues to play a pivotal role in the planned and coordinated development of teachers' education. As India moves forward, these initiatives aiming for quality education will continue to nurture excellence, foster mentorship, and build a future-ready teaching force.
NCTE's vision of Samarth Shikshak, Sashakt Bharat is propelled by NMM and NPST